Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to clear the side data and the cache for the Firefox side. So let's open up the Firefox browser and let's hit up a search and I'm gonna search for the YouTube. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. Simply go ahead and click on the website that you want to open. For example, I'm gonna go open up the YouTube. So once the YouTube will be open, what I'm gonna do is simply go ahead and click on the log icon right next to the link of the YouTube. So here, the link of the YouTube is right over here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this lock button. And once I'll do that, it will show you a bunch of options like site, information for the YouTube, connection secure, and underneath there you will see clear cookies and site data. Simply go ahead and click on that. And now it will show you an option removing cookies inside data may log you out of the website. Are you sure you want to remove cookies inside data from the YouTube? Simply go ahead and click on remove, and that way you'll be able to remove the side data and the cache for the website. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care.